This was a low float stock with a confirmed catalyst, high short interest, and abnormal pre-market volume. Once conditions aligned, the range of opportunity became visible. What you're about to see wasn't speed, it was structure, volume, and something most traders miss: impulse interruption. Today is February 10th, 2026, and let's walk through PHIO. At 5:04 a.m. Mountain Time, our Discord alert triggered, not as an entry, but as a prepared opportunity. From the start, this stock checked every structural box: legitimate news catalyst, low float, high short interest, and most importantly, pre-market participation. That combination matters because it tells us whether levels are likely to behave. Before price ever moved, these were areas of concern already mapped out from our Discord alert: 95 cents, $1.07, $1.15, $1.28, $1.53, and $1.86. These aren't guesses. These are decision zones. Places where price must prove itself. Once price pushed through 95 cents and $1.07, volume didn't hesitate. That initial impulse delivered roughly a 35% move, driven by increasing participation, not just thin air. And right there, $1.07 to $1.53, we identified as a 42% range of opportunity, not a prediction. It's a measured window if conditions continue to hold. Price then did exactly what strong moves often do. It pulled back between areas of concern. Here's what mattered. Instead of collapsing, price reclaimed $1.07 as support at around 5:49 a.m. Mountain Time. And that reclaim wasn't loud. It was clean, low risk, high probability, with the next structural test sitting at $1.15. And this is where we need to talk about something that I mentioned in the last video: impulse interruption. At 5:57 a.m., price pushed aggressively through $1.15 on very strong volume. But instead of continuing cleanly, we saw a brief, violent liquidity sweep, stretching from $1.23 all the way down to $1.03. This is the kind of move that wipes out hard stops. And it's why we teach structure-based risk, not panic-based exits. As long as price didn't close below $1.07, the structure never failed. That interruption wasn't weakness, it was pressure release. From there, price began climbing through the next areas of concern. What stood out wasn't just higher prices, it was how volume behaved. We saw several highs printed on lower volume, followed by retests on strength. That's confirmation behavior, not exhaustion, not distribution. It told us the range was still intact. At 7:02 a.m., price reached $1.53. The top of the mapped range, and this is where the market spoke very clearly. We saw multiple retests for nearly 6 full minutes, but instead of strength, volume weakened. That's not continuation behavior. That's defined resistance. And because it took time to fail, there was time to plan, not react, but plan. This move wasn't about chasing candles. It was about identifying areas of concern ahead of time, respecting impulse interruptions, and letting volume confirm whether the range was still valid. That's how you stay aligned with opportunity without needing to be fast. This is what structural preparation looks like in real time. When conditions align, the market doesn't surprise you. It confirms what's already visible. So traders, if you're serious about leveling up your entire trading approach and finally learning why trades work instead of guessing, come join us at MomentumStockTraders.com. And here's what you get when you step inside: live trade guidance with me every single morning, where I walk you through the logic behind every setup, custom scanners and pro charting tools built specifically for momentum stocks so that you can spot these moves before they happen and be prepared. Access to our private Discord community, and that's where real-time action happens. You'll see alerts, you'll see setups called out, you'll see trades reviewed, and members growing every single day. You'll also see AI-powered alerts tied directly to our institutional levels. These are real levels, not retail zones, showing exactly where the big money plans their positions, both on the entry and on the exit. Every single day I post full trade breakdowns so that you understand the why behind every move. And the best part? You get real one-on-one mentoring from me personally, inside a tight-knit community of serious traders who plan, prepare, predict, and not guess. This isn't a copy my trade service. It's real education, real trade guidance, and focused decision making. Because here's the reality, guys. If you're copying somebody else's click on a trade, that's not a strategy. That's panic and reaction. And you're already late to the game. Your risk is higher, your potential profit smaller, and your probability dropping dramatically. That's not trading, that's reacting. Our edge is predictive chart reading and volume logic. It fuels action, not reaction. So if you're ready to stop second guessing and start trading with confidence, join us today at momentumstocktraders.com. And if this video gave you even one new insight, hit the like button, share, and tap the notification bell so that you never miss the next free educational video that I upload. And remember, every big trader started with a small account. Let's grow them together, and I'll see you in the next video.